Hello, welcome. Question number 6, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics, Ghanaian Students, Section A. The binary operation star is defined on a set of real numbers as x operated by the y is x plus y divided by xy, where xy cannot be 0. We have to evaluate the root of, let's see, if I have the root of 6 operated by the root of 4. Remember, root 4 already is a perfect square, so I'm going to pick it as a perfect square. Then we have to add the top and down. So I am adding the root of 6 plus 2. Then I am multiplying the 2. This is 2. So 2 times this will give me 2 root what? 6. That is per the definition. Now, and as said, we don't want the irrational numbers to be in the denominator. So we do rationalization. So that means the root of 6 plus 2 divided by 2 root 6 to be multiplied by the irrational number, which is the set in the denominator. I will leave the 2 because 2 is rational. So I'll leave the 2. That means I'll multiply by root 6 divided by what? Root 6. So these are multiplying. Now, this is binomial. So this will multiply this and multiply this. So this times this, the root 6 times root 6 give you only 6. Then 2 times the root of 6 divided by root 6 times root 6 will give you 6. 6 times 2 will give you 12. Or as we just say, 6 times what? 2, or 2 times 6. Alright, now this is the actual answer we have. But you can see 2 and 6 have something in common as a common factor. So I factorize the 2 out. 2 dividing 6 give you 3, plus this will be the root of 6, still divided by 2 times what? 6. But from here you can see that 2 are common in the numerator. So this will cancel this, and I'll be left with only 3 plus the root of 6 divided by what? 6. And we need to check in the option which one depicts that answer. I can see this is the same as what I have there. So this is going to be the best answer for this question. I believe you understand. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and bye-bye.